Developed by Swiss toolmakers for decades, Tronex high-precision cutting tweezers are built with flat, parallel cut, and pointed tips for hard-to-reach areas. These cutting tweezers are designed for cutting or stripping wires, injection mold cleanup, and small component manipulation in confined spaces. They are also often used in medical device manufacturing as an alternative to cutters. Made with stainless steel or hardened polished carbon steel, these cutting tweezers by Tronex are offered in 3 different styles. Made with stainless steel, the 15AGW-CH has a large head and is ideal for general-purpose cutting of soft wires, including copper, nickel wires, and leads up to 0.01 inches thick. Made with carbon steel, the 15AC-CH has a medium-sized head with short fine blades, ideal for general-purpose cutting of soft wires, including copper, nickel wires, and leads up to 0.05 inches thick. Made with carbon steel, the 15AP-CH has a large head and is ideal for general-purpose cutting of soft wires up to 0.03 inches thick, copper wires up to 0.03 inches thick, and stainless steel wire between 0.015 and 0.02 inches thick. Contact the experts at Tronex to learn more about which cutting tweezers will work best for your specific application.